This is my old house on Hereford. It's empty now. Basement window. And there's still a bunch of junk in there. I laid those bricks in that sill right there. I laid those bricks. I set those steps. We put this asphalt driveway in. It was gravel when I bought it. Excuse me, I bought this house for $9,600 back in the 80s. And it was a foreclosure and I fixed it up. We put the roof on it. We put the vinyl siding on it. I did a good job on that vinyl. Not one piece has come off. Yeah. I planted this tree right here. Brought it from our house on Buckingham, if I remember correctly. That's a mulberry tree. I planted that tree. It was a tiny little twig. Needs a driveway again. Yeah, this house is empty next door here too. There was a house on that vacant lot over there. It's gone now. No, anyway.